Hello everyone. Welcome to the exciting journey of world of Python. Why Python? Python is very popular and powerful in programming language today. So let's understand in this what are the courses available as in a fundamental, intermediate, and advanced, and further courses for the Python. So if you want to choose any career options, learning Python, be it a web developer or an AI or ML engineer or a data scientist, etc., you have to start with your first step as learning Python. First step is to learn Python. So Python opens up the door with more endless career options. Let's begin with the fundamental syllabus of the course. So in this fundamental, you will learn about setting up the Python and multiple IDEs used for Python programming and variables, data types, input and output functions, control structures, and loops, etc. You will learn string manipulation and exceptional handling, etc. With this learning, you will understand the fundamentals and you are ready to write and a real world programs. You will kick off with the real world programs and you will build the logic with fundamentals. So learning fundamentals is very important and a base course for any other career options you want to switch on. So let's understand more about the next course. Before that, a great building you cannot be on a weak foundation. So a foundation should be on a strong enough to progress further. So next is on the intermediate Python syllabus. So in this syllabus, you will learn about file handling like JSON file opening, CSV file or TXT file, etc. And object-oriented concepts like class, object, encapsulation, and inheritance, etc. You will learn basics concepts on the OOPS in the intermediate and understand the modules and packages which are similar like in Oracle. You use it. Here also you have that and libraries wherein Python is famous with their built-in libraries and you can also build your own user-defined libraries and built a platform for it. And some of the functions like Lambda functions, anonymous functions you can learn, and REST API integration, multi-threading, and multi-processing, where you solve the complex problems in the production issues which you face it in the real world. And this REST API integration is currently a demand in the app development or automation, etc. So once you are ready with this course, you learned this course with this intermediate, you are ready for a job. You are ready for a job to search in the market. You are you are ready for the interview in turn. And the next comes the advanced Python syllabus. In this advanced Python syllabus, you will learn about more advanced concepts of encapsulation and data abstraction, cloud computing, and deploying via Kubernetes and Dockers, automations and CI/CD setups, and the cloud computing you learn in the advanced Python. In this advanced, once you learn this advanced Python, you are a professional. Python professional you call. So once you learn all these three, you are become learn and practice and go deeper in multiple things. You become a Python professional. And once you are done with this advance, you are in the hit list or the job list in the high paying jobs, high paid jobs. And the different career options, once you learn Python and you career options as a base. So web development, data science, machine learning are the different options you have. Automation, software development, cyber security, and you can become a game developer or in a DevOps or cloud engineer or in a financial analyst or financial and quantitative analyst you can become. Choosing one of these options, I can guide you on the Python syllabus once you choose the option. No need to learn everything, whatever the Python is available, because it is very vast. You can't learn. And these, once you learn either fundamentals or intermediate, you can opt any of this. And once you want to become a web developer or a cloud engineer, you want to learn everything and come back to this one of the course also is one way, and you can learn only the fundamentals and choose one of the option. So depending on this, you can choose your options like Python for beginners, but this is a base for everyone. For any option to choose, this variables and data types, loops, functions, etc. for the beginners is a common for any other career option. So Python for data science, you will learn NumPy and pandas, etc., data cleaning, etc. in this. Similarly, machine for machine learning, web development, and AI tools and robotics and game development, Pygame you will learn, and Python for automation and scripting. All these are the different courses available apart from your fundamentals, intermediate, and the advanced. If you're happy with this, if you want to reach me, please reach to me reach on this number on WhatsApp or on a call, so that I can guide you on the cost of the course and details, more details. I have given an overview here, but however, you can get the more details once you reach me. So we can grow together with your, and I can help you in your career options, in choosing your career options, and please reach out to me. Thank you.